I only hope, I only hope the kiss of death, the kiss of death, and it kills every shadow when my lips are pressed. I've got the kiss of death. Oh yeah, I've got the kiss of death. And all the shadows death. Bye, 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 bye. Excuse me. You're going down. You're going down. Wow, 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 wow. You're going down. Wow, 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 wow. You're going. You're going. You're going. You're going down. You're going down. You're going down. Oh, baby, you're going down. You're going down. You're going down. You're going down. You're going down, 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 crumbling. Oh yeah, 'cause you made a mistake and you won't admit it, so you're a little shy, aren't you? Oh, you made a mistake and you're a little shy about it, aren't you? Oh, sweetie, oh, Tweety, oh, apple pie, oh, Tweety, oh, sweetie, oh, apple pie, oh, apple pie. Oh, your wisdom is an apple pie. Oh, one of my mom's best apple pies. And the leaves she puts on the top ain't no pastry for you to cook. Ain't no berries on that pie. All those shadows went bye-bye. Ain't no apple for your tech. Ain't no nature's apple for your tech. You whores. Bye-bye, said the apple from the wisdom tree. You whores. Bye-bye, bye-bye to the whores that raped the apple pie. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You got no wisdom, you got no crying lies. Bye-bye. Don't expect us to feel sorry for you with your fake smiles and your dark behind crew. You're a shallow race. Bye-bye, bye-bye. If you're gonna go round in circles, it's extinction, so bye-bye. If you're going to go to machines, it's extinction, bye-bye. If you're going to go to illusions, it's hollow torture, bye-bye. So when you go your way, say bye-bye to 5D, because it's fake, okay? It's a 3D, jump to 60, and a full 5D is a thought process, not a fractal abuse on those pathways, because that bridge should not be built on. So bye-bye, because you can't build on 4 and 5D, you can't build on 7 and 8, you can't build on 10 and 11, and you can't build on 2, and you can only do 2 natural elements on 1 if you've got permission from nature to have a clock for time anyway. If you haven't got permission from nature to have nature's elements, then you got your whatever you do, but we don't go there because that's not what we want to do. So, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Yeah.